Are you looking to start a video call on Telegram on your PC, but not sure how? Well, you're in luck because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do it with the new update. So let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Telegram account on your PC. Once you're logged in, you can move on to the next step. Now, find the account you want to call. This could be a friend, family member, or colleague. Once you've located their account, it's time to initiate the call. Open the conversation with the person you want to call. This will bring up the chat window where you can see your messages with them. Next, look for the 3 dots located in the chat window. Click on them to reveal a drop-down menu with different options. From the drop-down menu, select the option for video call. This will send a notification to the person you're calling, allowing them to accept or decline the call. And that's it. You've successfully started a video call on Telegram on your PC. Now you can enjoy crystal clear video and audio quality while connecting with your friends and loved ones. So there you have it. A quick and easy tutorial on how to start a video call on Telegram on your PC. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.